This video will show you how you can print a design that you have created in Canva. So to get started, first open your design and then click on the share menu. Now here you will see a bunch of options, including the one that says print with Canva, but don't select this option. So this option is basically for ordering physical copies from Canva's website. So you don't need to select this. Instead, you should select this download option. Now here click on this file type menu and then select PDF print. This quality is best for printing the document or design, so make sure to select that. Then you can select all the options that you want from here and then select the page number of the print and then click on download. Once the PDF opens, you can then press Ctrl+P to open the print dialog box and then print it as usual. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.